Morse Manufacturing, I would say, stands as the specialist world leader in drum handling equipment. We've single-handedly invented the product category, and the vast majority of products that are out there on the market were invented here by our team of engineers. The move to this current facility was a huge driver in us working with National Grid. This building needed a lot of work, one of which was improved lighting, which you see right here. It's fantastic. National Grid was a huge part of us selecting the current lighting as well as implementing it. Through this process and through the help of National Grid through these energy efficiency projects, we've been able to realize savings of over $165,000 a year. This building also did not have the power that we needed for today, as well as what we will need in the future. And National Grid was a huge part in helping us to make sure that we were able to do that, not only to get it installed, but get it installed in a timely manner. Our employees take a lot of pride in knowing that they're making world-class drum handling equipment and shipping products from here in Syracuse all over the world. Safety has been a huge driver for us to make sure our employees not only thrive in what they're making and doing here, but have a long life and are safe in their work environment here at Morse Manufacturing. Morse Manufacturing just celebrated 100 years in business. In order to have a legacy of that duration, we need really good quality partners. National Grid is one of those partners. They've been a huge help in allowing us to have the kind of energy efficiencies that we need to exist and thrive as a leading manufacturer of drum handling equipment.